Good afternoon. This is Engineer Sandy Balinas of the Provincial Engineer's Office of Negros Occidental. I am in charge of our motor pool. I am the supervisor, and luckily I met this product, GTO, and I tested it in my car, Montero Sports, at my back. So we tested it with its performance, and nakita ko mismo na yung usok nawala, kasi before we tested it and we revolution it for
3,000
RPM. Then there is a smoke in the paper testing namin, and after applying the product GTO, namangha ako kasi nawala yung usok. Tapos yung test drive namin, parang lumakas yung hatak yung RPM niya tumaas. So ibang klase talagang product to. The first time I made this product, so I was convinced this product, I will use this in my personal car and even in our vehicles in the province of Negros Occidental. I will recommend this to our provincial engineers and even to all engineers na nakilala ko at sa mga tao na kilala ko, dahil napakagaling na product nito na minimize yung carbon emission. Not only that will enhance our vehicle, but also it will help our environment to lessen our carbon emission. We have to have concern in our environment, because we know our earth is the only one that we have a gift from God, so we will preserve this for our children and for the later generation. So mag GTO na tayo.
Thank you.